In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix the problem if the Google Play Store tells you that you have no payment method and you want to buy something on the Play Store. First, we go onto the Play Store. For example, I will choose a game that I have to buy, and if I click on it, then it will either tell me that I have no payment method, or it will tell me that I have to enable a payment method and add a payment method to basically buy the app or game that I want to buy. And we have many options. We can either redeem a code if we have a Google Play Store code, we can add a credit card or debit card, we can add Klarna, we can add PayPal or a PaySafe card. So for example, here you would need to click PayPal and then choose whatever you want, but in my case I would choose PayPal, but you can choose whatever you want. And after you have added your payment information, then you will be able to actually buy the game. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.